Namaste. Hello, I am Anmol Agrawal and welcome to my channel. So today in this video we will be doing a 15 minutes yoga flow which is beginners friendly so everyone can try this. First, find your comfortable pose. You can sit in the Sukhasana, Padmasana, Vajrasana, any comfortable pose. And now gently bring your both hands in the Gyan Mudra over the knee where you're pressing the index finger through the thumb. And now bringing your spine totally straight, gently close your eyes and bring your attention towards your breath. As you inhale the positivity, the energy from the surrounding, from the universe. And as you exhale out all the impurities, confusions out of your mind and be at this moment of breathing. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Prepare your body and mind for the 10 minutes of the yoga flow. And gently open your eyes. Bring your both hands forward and start the wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now gently open your fingers and tap your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and start to move it sideways. Touch your elbows. 1 and open wider. 2 and here we go for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and start to move up and down. So you're lifting your hands up. 1 and drop. 2, drop. 3, with your breathing moving upward goes for 4 and 5, 6, few more rounds. 7, 8, 9, 10 and then start. Touch your elbow and start for the rotation. 1, again bring your elbows together, touch and go for 2, lift up, make a big circle and touch again. 3, with the rotation, with your breath, we're going for 4, inhale, half circle, exhale, the other half, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and now anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I hope you're enjoying with a smile. 4 and last. 3, 2 and 1. Release your hand, relax yourself. You did a great job. Inhale and exhale. Now bring your both hands with the inhale, lift up. Interlace your finger, turn your wrist and stretch yourself upward. Keep lifting higher. Make sure your hands are touching your ears and you're lifting yourself up. Feel that stretch. Hold it here for a while. Inhale and exhale. Gently turn your wrist, open your fingers, and drop your right hand towards the right side on the mat. Stretch your left hand up, look up. Give a nice stretch to your body and hold here for a while again. Keep pressing your buttocks towards the mat and gently lift your right hand up to the center. Inhale properly, and while exhaling, drop your left hand towards the left side on the mat and stretch your right hand up, look up. Again, you have to press your buttocks to the mat so that you can feel a good stretch and hold it here for a while. Enjoy this. Gently, now you have to bring your left hand back to the center. Both the hands up, inhale, and while exhaling, press forward. Both the hands down on the mat. You can walk with your hands forward slowly and drop your head down on the mat. If you're not able to touch the mat with your head, it's okay. Just walk at your best and hold it there for a while. Stay. And now gently first lift your head up and walk back with your hand and come to the center. Now gently turn yourself, or you can do it from there as well. You're placing your hands back and make sure your fingers are inwards. Now you have to lift your pelvic up, take the support of your knees on the mat and look up. Stay here for a while again, keep breathing. Gently bring your head back to the center and drop your pelvic down on the mat. Come to the relaxed position. From here you will be now first placing your left hand to the right knee and right hand back. Give a good nice twist to your spine, look back and hold. Make sure you're not leaning back too much, your spine should be straight at the center. Even if you're doing a less movement, your intention should be on the twisting of your spine. And now gently bring your head back, bring your hands also back and repeat for the opposite. Right hand to the left knee and the left hand goes back, look back. Stay. Gently now bring your head to the center, bring your hands back and now release your both legs forward straight. Relax your legs, you can move sideways and relax. Now keeping your both hands near to your waist and start toe movement, press forward and back. Let's continue for a few rounds. The ankle movement. You can place your hands to your thighs as well or to your near to your waist or a little back, any which way, whatever gives you comfort, whatever keeps your spine straight. And keep your attention to your ankle movement, forward and back. Now center and point your toes forward. Hold it there for a while. Keep feeling this stretch till your thighs, till your waist. And 3, 2, and 1. Gently bring it to the center. Now press it towards yourself. Stay here for a while. Keep feeling the stretch. And gently bring it to the center, and we're ready for the ankle rotation. 1, 2, move your ankle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we are going for anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now bring it to the center. Move your legs. Relax yourself. Gently we are ready to move ahead for next. So bend your right knee. Take your hand from inside, grab it, hold it tight, bring your spine straight, and now start to lift your toe up. You're working on your knee joint. Start 2. It's okay if you're not able to lift up higher. Just try your best and go for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Lift up and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your leg down, relax yourself, and now bend the left knee. Take your hands from inside and repeat the same. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Lift up and hold for a while. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your leg down. Relax yourself. Now inhale to lift your both hands up. Bring your spine straight. Lift up higher. And exhale to draw forward. Touch your toe. Stretch yourself. It's okay if you're not able to touch your toe. You can grab anywhere around your calf muscle, ankle. Just maintain the spine straight position. And once you're comfortable, you can bend the elbow and press your head down towards the knee. And that's your good morning stretch. So hold it here. Again, I'm telling you, it's not about reaching up to the toe. You can just be at your comfort and a moderate stretch position. Now gently to lift up your head and bring your hands up. Come back to the center, release your hands, and now bend the knee because we are going ahead for in the tabletop position. So drop your hands down, both the knee down on the mat, and you're making a rectangular with your body. Now to see the ideal position where to keep your hands, you have to bend your elbow, touch your elbow to the knee, and one step ahead of that you have to place your palm. So see, touch your elbow to the knee and go one step ahead and stay here for the ideal position. Bring your spine straight, flat toe, and inhale to look up, make a curve in your spine. Now while exhaling, bring your head down and lift upward. So your spine is again in a curved position. You're working on each vertebra of your spine. Inhale to lift up, make a very good curve, and exhale to drop your head down and lift your spine up higher. You're pressing your hands against the mat to lift up higher. Keep doing this with your breath for a few more rounds. Go with the rhythm of your breath of inhaling goes up and exhaling goes down. Now gently bring yourself at the center and drop your hips down over the heels and drop your head down in the child pose. Relax yourself here for a while. Inhale and exhale gently to lift up your head. Come back and sit in any comfortable pose. And now we are done with the yoga flow, the morning yoga flow. I hope you all enjoyed and you feel weight up now. And so that's the end for the yoga flow, but we are ready to sum up the session with sitting straight, spine straight, and both the hands back again in the Gyan Mudra. Gently close your eyes and start to breathe. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Keep the awareness of your breath. Feel grateful about yourself that you took time to be here, aware with your body and breath. Fill yourself with gratitude toward everything that you have. And gently rub your palm together to let them get warm. And then place it over your eyes. Feel the warmth of your hand, the darkness. And gently roll your hands down. Join your hands at the heart center. And we are ready for the prayer. Sarve bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukbhag Bhave. Gently bow down your head. Thanks to the Mother Earth, thanks to the surrounding, your body and mind. Gently to lift up your head, open your eyes. And we are done for today's session. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon in the next practice. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment to my channel.